True or false? Thumbs up for true, thumbs down for false. Synapsis, which begins in prophase 1 of meiosis, is an intimate pairing of homologous chromosomes which can set the stage for genetic recombination. This has a lot of crazy cool implications. I have placed a link below the video so that you can check out some of the information I've perused for the topic. But let me know what you think. True or false? Synapsis, which begins in prophase 1 of meiosis, is an intimate pairing of homologous chromosomes which can set the stage for genetic recombination. By the way, I sometimes say meiosis and a lot of people say meiosis, so I suppose take your pick. Maybe follow the hillbilly Barnes. Meiosis. Maybe you shouldn't. Meiosis is probably correct.